Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can duplicate a page in WordPress. So for that we are gonna install a plugin. Here plugins, click on add new plugin and here search for duplicate page. And this is the plugin which is called duplicate page, and you can use this plugin for post pages. And click on install now and click activate. Okay, it's activated, and now go on your pages or post. Now here you can see a new option which is called duplicate this. Now if I click duplicate this, and this page will be duplicated, and here you can see the page duplicated, and now it's drafted. And click on edit to publish it. Now our editing panel will be open. Okay, and here you can see publish. Click on publish and view page, and this is the duplicate page. So this is how you can duplicate any page or post using duplicate page plugin. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.